Increase the style of your radiators with the Scudo brushed brass straight radiator valves, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted from high-quality brass, these valves not only provide durability, but also exude elegance with their brushed brass finish. Say goodbye to mismatched hardware. These valves are supplied in a convenient pair, making it easier than ever to complete your radiator installation. With a 1/2-inch BSP connection size, they seamlessly connect your radiator or brushed brass towel rail to the pipework without any unnecessary bends. But that's not all. The manual radiator valve gives you full control of the flow of hot water to your radiators. Adjust the valve to set the perfect temperature and achieve optimal comfort in every room. No more struggling with inconsistent heating. Revamp your heating system with Scudo brushed brass radiator valves and experience the perfect blend of functionality and style. Transform your space into a warm and inviting haven today. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo heating range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.